What's up, Michael Jordan collectors? Got my coffee here. So those two PSA 10 Michael Jordan rookie cards at Golden Auctions, they're up to $260,000 with 2.5 days left. It's just staggering numbers. So Card Gems here, welcome to my channel. This is January 28th, Michael Jordan rookie card market report. All right, let's dig into this. So PSA population report, yesterday we had 18,369. Today we have 18,376. We still have 316 10s, 2,762 9s, 7,728 8s. But we have 7 new additions. We have 2 new 7s. We got 2 new 6s. We got a new 4. We got a new 2. And also have 1 new authentic. Checking BGS. Yesterday we had 11,569. There's still no change. I don't know how often they update their website, or they're just not getting any business. I don't know. But they still have 6 pristine 10s, 526 9.5s, 1,634 9s. SGC, yesterday we had 2,143. Today we have 2,145. So we have 2 new additions. We have a new 9, which is exciting because that's a $17,000 card. And we have a new 8.5. We still have 1 gold label pristine 10, 25 regular 10s, 25 9.5s, and 213 9s. Checking Golden Auctions. We still have these 2 PSA 10s. They're up to 260,000 each, and there are 2.5 days left on these cards. They also have a BGS 9.5 low end, has a 9 on the centering. It's up to $61,000. They also have 4 PSA 9s. 3 of them are up to $42,000, with this last one being at $39,000. They also have this BGS 9 for $19,000. They've got 2 PSA 8s that are $14,000 each, and a BGS 8.5 that's at $14,000. All right, checking our favorite website, Cardladder.com. PSA 8 last sold for $18,500. So this is a new record, but also just before this sale, we had an even higher record. That was $19,000. So that is the all-time high now for this card. You know, like I was saying, this card's up and down, but the trend line is just going straight up overall. This card had been averaging about 15,000 when we had a lot of big sales that were not confirmed, but now we have this $19,000 one that is definitely confirmed, followed up by this $18,500 one. So that is legit right there. We have a new price range on this card. BGS 8 last sold for $12,649. So that's a little bit down from the high of $14,966, which is the record, and that was just on the 26th. But you can see this climb that it has done since way back here on the 6th of January. Seems like a year ago, but it was just a matter of like 20 days. It actually doubled in value. BGS 8.5 last sold for $15,400. And this was on the 24th. So before that, it sold for $14,300 on the 21st. And that came down from the high of $16,250 on the 18th. So this thing is up and down, because here it is for $12,600 on the 16th. And this big spike here for $17,000 on the 11th of January. So this right here, this is subs that you're seing. This is low subs and high subs, so a premium and a low end. That's what's causing these ups and downs. PSA 8.5, last sold for $30,000. This card is becoming a monster. Its population is 376. So this card is stuck between a PSA 9 and a PSA 8. And the PSA 9 is going crazy, almost 60K. And the PSA 8 is around 19,000. So this is the happy medium right here. And this is a solid card. But this one sold on the 26th for $30,000. And you can see here it last sold for $25,000 before that. So that's a $5,000 jump in just a matter of 3 days. And way back here on the 15th of December, it was only $11,500. PSA 9 last sold for $52,500. So the days of $40,000 are long gone. This card only sells in the $50,000 range now. $52,500 on the 26th. And it sold for $54,000 on the 25th. And we had this huge spike at $59,000 on the 24th. And there's probably like nearly 10 auctions right now going on. Live auctions. Probably more than that, more like 12 between Golden Auction, PWCC, Probstein, and the average seller on eBay. There's probably like a dozen of these, and they're all ending within a few days. So there's no telling what we're going to see. BGS 9 last sold for $34,999, and that is the record high. And that was just on the 23rd. And that's up from this $25,000 one on the 21st, which was just a couple of days before that. And if you look down in here, just on the 14th, it sold for $21,000. So this thing has jumped. What has it jumped? Like $12,000, $13,000. Wow. BGS 9.5 last sold for $120,000. This is like an elite card now in the hobby. It's population 526, so not a lot to go around. And the one that sold for $120 was a high end at PWCC. It was in the PWCC vault, and someone made this offer, and it was accepted. And this was on the 26th. So prior to that, we had this sell for $76,626 on the 24th, where someone used the buy it now on eBay, and that was a low end that had a 9 on one of the subs. So just huge sales right now for this card. PSA 10 last sold for $220,630. Pop 316. So we know we got those two at Golden Auction. They're up to $260,000. But if you factor in the buyer's premium, it's probably going to be close to $300,000. And there's still 2.5 days left on that. So this right here, this is going to be just an old price that we forget about, because those are going to just shatter this one. Okay, recently sold, we have this BGS 8 for $12,649. Buy it now. Here's a PSA 8. It was listed for $21,500, or best offer. Let's see what the best offer was. $19,500. Wow, that's a pretty good price. So yeah, if that's confirmed, that would probably be the record. Here's another PSA 8, sold for buy it now, $18,499. So people aren't messing around anymore with the PSA 8s. Look at this PSA 6, sold for $8,500, 35 bids. This would be a new record, because the record price is $7,700. There's a PSA 8 with the off-center qualifier, listed for $17,500, or best offer. Let's see what the offer was. $13,000 it sold for. So, wow. So it looks like it's super thin at the bottom, so you can't even get a card like this anymore for under $13,000. That's just crazy. Check out this BGS 6.5, 74 bids, sold for $6,600. These low ends are just cruising now. There's a PSA 8, sold for $17,500, one bid. All right, checking newly listed. We have a BGS 7.5, listing price $7,885, no bid yet. Here we got a SGC 9. It's listed for $69,000, our best offer. So we know this sold for $17,500. That was the record, and there's one currently up to almost $16,000 on live auction. There's a BGS 7.5. It's already up to $8,600, and it was just listed, 26 bids. There's a BGS 8, $19,000, or best offer. There's a BGS 8.5 listed for $28,000, or best offer. There's a PSA 7. It's already up to $7,300 and it was just listed. 16 bids. There's a PSA 6. It's up to $5,600. 13 bids. There's a BGS 9. It's listed for $39,000 or best offer. Again, there's another guy covering up the certification number. I don't get that. If you guys know why they cover up the certification number, please leave a comment and let me know what you think. All right, checking out live auctions. We have this PSA 7. It's up to $7,300, 16 bids, 4 days left. There's a BGS 8.5. It's up to $7,600, 15 bids, 9 days left. There's a PSA 7. It's up to $7,600, 16 bids, 5 days left. Here's a 7.5 BGS, up to $8,600, 26 bids, 9 days left. Here's a PSA 8 with the OC qualifier. It's off-centered. $9,100, 2 bids. See, it's like super thin at the bottom. It looks not too bad from side to side though. There's a PSA 7. It's up to $9,100, 42 bids, 2 days left. These 7s are doing really good. There's another PSA 7. It's up to $9,200, 11 bids, 3 days left. There's another PSA 7. It's up to $9,500, 31 bids, 5 days left. There's a BGS 8.5. It's up to $10,200, 15 bids, 2 days left. And there's a BGS 8. It's up to $11,500, 33 bids, 3 days left. There's a PSA 8. It's up to $11,700, 39 bids, 2 days left. There's a BGS 7.5. Up to $12,500, 1 bid, 4 days left. So this would be a new record if it's, if it continues. There's a PSA 8. It's up to $12,700, 28 bids, 3 days left. BGS 8.5 up to $13,167 bids, 3 days left. So the record for this is $17,000. They've been selling on average for around $15,000. There's a PSA 8, 13,274 bids, 2 days left. There's another one, 13,624 bids, a day left. And here's another one at PWCC for 13,825 bids, 2 days left. So we just had a new record sale for these PSA 8s. That was at 19,000. And here's another one, 14,136 bids, 2 days left. There's another PSA 8, 14,400, 43 bids, 3 days left. So these PSA 8s are just driving the market right now. There's a SGC 9. It's up to 15,600, 22 bids, 3 days left. So still got a ways to break the record of 17,500, but it still has 3.5 days left. And here's a BGS 8.5. It's up to 15,700, 31 bids. There's another PSA 8. It's up to 17,433, 20 bids, 4 days left. So will this break the record of 19,000? We will see. There's a BGS 9. 20,100, 36 bids, 3 days left. There's another BGS 9. It's up to 21,100, 44 bids, 6 days left. There's another BGS 9. It's up to 21,400, 68 bids, 1 day left. So here's another guy covering up the certification number. I don't know what the deal is with that, guys. So comment below and let me know. There's a PSA 9. It's up to 34,825 with 60 bids, 3 days left. There's another one, 35,142 bids, 3 days left. And here's one more, 35,153 bids, 3 days left. And here's another PSA 9, 38,386 bids, 2 hours left. Wow. And here's another PSA 9. It's up to 40,000, 38 bids, 2 days left. And here we go. Here's the PSA 9, 47,233 bids. This has just 12 hours left, so I'll be watching this one tonight. PSA 9, 48,159 bids. This one has a day and 10 hours left. And here's the SGC 9.5 Gem Mint. It's up to 52,744 bids. This one still has 3.5 days left. I cannot wait to watch this one end, because the last time that this had a record high, it was 37,500. It doesn't sell very often, so now we're seeing this thing is getting respect now as a gem mint. This is a really staggering price for this card. All right, checking on our gem mints and above, all of our high ends. We have this pair here for 174,000. It's a BGS 9 base paired up with a BGS 9 sticker. They're accepting offers. Here's a BGS 9.5, 175,000, our best offer. This has a 9 on the centering. There's a BGS 9.5, 200,000, our best offer. And this one has a 10 on the surface, so flawless surface on that one. And here's another BGS 9.5, 200,000, our best offer. And this one has a 10 on the corners, so perfect corners. 200,000, our best offer on this BGS 9.5, and this is a low end. This has a 9 on the surface. And here's another BGS 9.5, 250,000, buy it now. This one's overseas in Taiwan. And this one has a 9 on the surface. And here's another pair of BGS 9.5s for 253,000. This one's overseas in Australia. All right, so the PSA 10 still listed for 349,000. Buy it now. This has been the same price for like a few days now, so we'll see how this one does. There's another PSA 10, $750,000, $750,000 at the PWCC vault, accepting offers. So everyone's just waiting to see what those new comp prices are going to be at Golden Auctions. And then they're going to get a flood of offers. I guarantee it. This will probably end shortly after the Golden Auctions. All right, so in summary, PSA 10s, the record price, confirmed price is $222,630. We currently have 2 PSA 10s on Golden Auctions for $260,000. The record price for BGS 9.5 for high-end quad 9.5s and above is $120,000. There is not one on live auction right now. BGS 9.5 low-end that has 3 9.5 subs and 1 9 sub, the record price is $76,626. We have one on Golden Auctions right now for $61,000 with 2.5 days left. SGC 9.5, the record price $37,500. We have one up on auction right now on eBay for $52,700. PSA 9, $59,000 is the record price. We have one up on auction right now for $48,100. BGS 9 record price is around $35,000. We have one up on auction for $21,400. SGC 9, $17,500 is the record price. We have one up on auction for $15,600. PSA 8.5, the record price is $30,000. We don't have one on live auction. BGS 8.5, the record price $17,000. That's the confirmed high price. We have one up on auction right now for $15,700. SGC 8.5, the last record price was $10,555. We don't have one on auction. PSA 8, we got a new record price, a new confirmed price of $19,000. So it's almost breaking $20,000. We have one up on auction right now for $17,433. BGS 8 record price almost 15,000 mark. We have one up on auction for $11,500. The SGC 8 record price is almost $8,000. We don't have one on auction right now. BGS 7.5 record price $11,500. We already have one that surpassed that, $12,500, and that's on live auction right now. PSA 7, the record price is $12,075. We have one on auction right now that's up to $9,500. The PSA 6 record price $7,750. That's just incredible. And we have one up on auction right now for $6,529, and that was like a newly listed card. So these low ends are starting to soar in price. All right, so Michael Jordan collectors, this was my market report for today. I hope you found this video helpful. And I would just like to take a second and thank all of my subscribers for your support. And if you guys have any suggestions or maybe things that I can do better or things that you want to see, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And for you guys that have not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you in the next Michael Jordan rookie card market report.